Good morning, it's another day and we are reporting you with another great news at
Brexit. EU-derived equal pay protections to be retained. Women will still have the right to equal pay with men when an EU protection lapses at the end of this year, the government says. The protection, which is aimed at helping workers whose jobs have been outsourced, was axed in a post-Brexit purge of EU-derived laws. But the government has said it will now ensure the right remains under UK law. Under UK equality law, men and women in the same employment performing equal work must receive equal pay, unless any difference can be justified. An EU provision known as the single source test closed this loophole, giving workers the right to equal pay if they ultimately work for the same source. It helped low-paid women take action against their employers over pay, but was one of hundreds of laws to be abolished by January 2024 under the EU Retained Law Act, which was passed in June. On Tuesday evening, the government announced that it was planning to pass laws to keep the protections by the end of the year. There will be absolutely no reduction in equal pay protections, a spokesperson for the government's Equalities Hub said. The new secondary legislation will be laid in Parliament long before the end of the year. It came after Labour accused the government of destroying the rights of some of the country's lowest-paid women and promised to reinstate the single-source test if it wins power. Posting on X, formerly known as Twitter, after the government's announcement, Labour's Shadow Women and Equalities Secretary Annalise Dodds said, "A Tory U-turn within hours of Labour committing to keep vital equal pay rights for women. But women will wonder if the party that put these rights at risk can really be trusted to protect them. Only Labour will act to deliver equal pay justice for women." Supermarket giants, including Asda and Tesco, have faced legal action over pay differences between shop workers and warehouse staff. Labour-run Birmingham City Council has been forced to pay out £760 million to settle equal pay claims. An SNP-led Glasgow City Council is still involved in a long-running legal battle over pay, despite paying out a total of £500 million to current and former workers. Workers in female-dominated roles such as catering or cleaning staged strikes because they were getting up to £3 an hour less than those in male-dominated areas such as refuse collection.
Was David John from the AI News International. Stay linked with us, we will keep you reported of the newest updates. Goodbye.